Okay, if you'd like to get yourself into a comfortable position, and how you arrive for this meditation is really important. Have an open mind for this one. We're going to be exploring awakening, what I call the ultimate mindset. And this is more about the experience you have rather than what your mind tries to tell you this is all about. So if you'd like to begin with your eyes closed, and just take a nice big deep breath in through the nose. Feel your whole body expand. And as you breathe out, just sigh it out like ah. Just feel everything begin to drop down, loosen, lighten. And then do that again. Take a nice big deep breath in through the nose. Feel the body expand and then just sigh it out. Ah. Feeling everything just drop down. And one last time. In through the nose, body expanding. And then just sigh it out. Ah. Yeah. Really feel your body just letting go. And moving your attention to your belly and just below your belly button. Gently breathing in through the nose. And then just slowly out through the mouth. And you'll notice that your nervous system, your breathing begins to become much calmer and slower, as will your mind, all by itself. And just following an out breath of your choosing. Just note at the end of the out breath, as your breath dissolves into that space that's always there. There's this peace, there's this stillness that you can always access when you breathe out. It's like you pause right at the end of the breath and then gently breathe back in. Now just move your attention to your mind. And become aware of the thoughts that are going to come and go for the next couple of minutes. Watching them appear and then disappear. And just become aware of the space that surrounds the thought. And what changes when you do that? And just become aware for the next minute or so that any thoughts that appear inside your mind are irrelevant. See them as irrelevant. Maybe label them as irrelevant and watch what happens. Who am I? I'd like you to begin to ask this question as you exhale. Who am I? And just let any answers that your mind comes up with disappear as irrelevant. Explore how you feel, what sensations you notice. What do you experience as you ask, who am I? And now just come back to just being aware of your awareness. Being aware. You might get a sense of an energy shift or tingling. I wonder what you're experiencing by becoming aware of your awareness. You might get a sense that there are no edges to your awareness. Everything you can hear and sense, feel, is happening within your awareness. Unlimited. No boundaries. Get a sense of what that feels like for you. Now give yourself a wonderful inner smile and thank yourself for doing this type of work. We all benefit from each and every one of us taking the time to grow. So come back to your surroundings, give yourself a hug, and think about what today's practice could change about your day-to-day. I look forward to connecting with you in the very next episode. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.